Hello guys and welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block websites in Chrome on your iPhone if you want to restrict access to certain websites. I'll walk you through the exact steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down again and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure that Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned on. Then tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Now scroll down and select Web Content. Choose Limit Adult Websites, and under the Never Allow section, tap on Add Website. Enter the URL of the website you want to block in Chrome. Once you've typed the website address, tap the check mark to save it. Now, if you try to open that website in Chrome, it will be blocked. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, see you soon.